Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a few essentials and taking immediate action. First, open System Settings and check Software Update. Install any pending Mac OS updates because the App Store relies on system services. Next, go to Apple ID and sign out, then sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. This often fixes permission issues. Once done, verify date and time and your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Incorrect time or network restrictions commonly block the App Store. Now tackle network and cache data problems that are less obvious. Restart your router and, if possible, connect via Ethernet or a different Wi-Fi to rule out ISP issues. Slow or filtered networks can block store connections. Then quit the App Store, open Finder, go to ~library/caches/com. Apple App Store and remove cache files and relaunch the App Store to force fresh requests. Also disable VPN and check firewall or custom DNS. These can silently block Apple servers, so make a temporary change to test. Finish by isolating system-level problems and applying final fixes. Boot into safe mode to load minimal drivers and try the App Store. If it works there, a third-party extension or login item is the culprit. Use console and network utility to capture errors or failed connections for exact causes. This helps if you contact support. If authentication errors persist after re-signing, reach out to Apple ID support. One tip: test with a different Mac OS user account to narrow whether the issue is system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.